This is Google Pixel Buds Pro 2, and this is the box of Google Pixel Buds Pro 2, and this is me with Google Pix Buds Pro 2. Okay, enough. I had to wait for this moment for a couple of days because today I want to show you what is inside this box. Are you ready? So take something to drink or make some popcorn and let's enjoy this moment together. I will be opening this box for the first time. Here is the sealed. So let's remove it. And see what we have inside. Very eco packaging. Wow, nice pack. Pixel Buds Pro 2. Look at this. This little bit looks for me like similar brand packing, but really nice. Wow, look at this. I'm gonna open first time for you. You're gonna see this beautiful new generation Buds Pro 2 from Google Pixel. I wanna wear it. Okay. Wow. It really fits. It's not like different one. I think so because of this one. There's like additional. Wow. But why I bought this one? First of all, for improvement with audio quality. This one has more balanced sound. If you like natural sound, that profile doesn't, overreact, taking the bass like over loud, you will be appreciating this one because this is really sounds much better. The battery life as well is huge because you can listen up to 30 hours with this liter charging case, and additionally you can quick charge. 5-minute charge will give you 1.5 hour listen music. Oh my god, I think I lose. Where is it? No. Now if you're gonna lose it, is no possible with Pixel Buds Pro 2. Now you can find your earbuds with Find My Device integration, so guarantee you never lose it. Oh, it's here. And this one, it's really fits that you're not gonna lose it. But if you will put somewhere and you will forgot where is one of them, then use this My Device integration, which the app will show you exactly location of your 1 or 2 earbuds Pro 2. Do you know that this liter Pixel Buds Pro 2 is little more? Now feature Jamie support. This is excited to the potential it holds with possible future like real-time translation when you're talking to someone and general communication with your AI assistant. You are appreciating using this when you are in public place, when you have to asking something like find where I am, how to get there, do you think will be raining now or soon, or maybe I'm in the grocery now, what ingredients I need for my soup today. And the AI will be responding to you in live when you are in the public place, which will help you to manage stuff or creating shopping list, and will be telling you what to buy. That's really featuring future Jamie support with this Pixel Buds Pro 2. When it's loud in the grocery, don't worry. Active noise cancelling ANC is a big improvement over this Pixel Buds Pro 2. The Pro 2 have effective ANC to block out distraction, making them ideal for travel and noisy environment. I will definitely record for you video about this new feature ANC improvement, So don't forget to just click subscribe right now and the ring bell to get notification. Please remember that to Google Pixel Buds Pro 2 you need to have phone updated to minimum Android 6 or higher, Google account, and of course internet connection. This requires to set up your this beautiful Pixel Buds Pro 2. What do you think about this Google Pixel Buds Pro 2? It's good for you, or maybe you don't like it? Please comment below. If you have any additional question, I'm always happy to help you. For me, overall, I can say that these earbuds Google Pixel Pro 2 are very useful and improvement you're getting for the price. Everything what is now available on the market to make your life easier, like the AI, the best quality with the ANC improvement, that's really changed my life with this new Buds Pro 2, right? You can say in the comments as well what you're thinking about this Buds. I'm really happy from it. Thanks for watching, and wait for a second, soon you will see next video recommended from my channel. So I hope you will like there too, and I hope that there I will help you as well with another product reviews, or maybe you will find different earbuds because I really review it a lot. So just wait for a second, you will see next video.